I bought it from my own money. इतना intimidating सा red color. I think Maybelline के teddy pins are this side. I think I did a better job. Ta-ta-da! Base looks so good. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome me back. Actually, just ladies. I'm pretty sure सब लड़कियाँ ये videos देख रही हैं. So yeah, I am back in India. If you're surprised, I don't know why you are because मैंने एक vlog में mention कर दिया था that I'm just there for a few months. I don't have the permanent PR to stay there. So yeah, ये होना ही था. Please कोई ऐसे अपसेटिंग कमेंट्स मत छोड़ना है. मुझे ऑलरेडी इंस्टाग्राम पे मिल चुके हैं कि व्हाई आर यू कमिंग बैक, यू वर सो हैप्पी देयर, ब्ला ब्ला. क्या कर सकते हैं गाइस, जिंदगी उतनी आसान नहीं है लाइफ. I just can't move completely to a new country and start living there. There are some norms and rules. Anyways, cut that all out. I am super pumped to be back. I have some exciting ideas. Number one being trying out a lot from Indian brands. क्योंकि मैं जब तक वहाँ थी ना, मेरे reels में इतना कुछ आता रहता था. And I made a list of everything that I wanted to try for myself. So, without wasting any more time, let's just begin with the video. Number one is going to be the reason why my base looks so good. ये product मेरे हर एक recommendations में था. A lot of you wanted me to try it. A lot of you already loved this product. And मेरे अंदर चलती कि why haven't I tried it yet? This is the Mars BB Cream Skin Perfection Color Correcting. Now color correcting से CC cream याद आता है, but this is a BB cream. And you guys know मैंने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रह के काफ़ी skin tints use किए हैं and I've loved them. So I was expecting it to be the same, but it's lot thicker. जिस स्किन टिंट पानी की तरह निकलता है, दिस इज थिकर. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक अ फाउंडेशन एंड इट कवर्ड अप माई एक्ने स्कार्स. यू सी द हाफ एन हाफ वाला वीडियो, इट ऑलमोस्ट वर्क्स लाइक अ मीडियम कवरेज फाउंडेशन. एंड द फैक्ट ये 300 रुपये का भी नहीं था. इट इज ग्रेट. द शेड मैच इज ग्रेट. इट गिव्स अ नाइस डूई फिनिश एंड आई लव द फैक्ट कि मैं इसको लगा के बिना कंसीलर के भी घूमने जा सकती हूँ. इट just works. It literally makes my skin look good and yeah, you wouldn't be disappointed. By the way, आज का मेरा जो बेस अभी आपको दिख रहा है, it's without any setting spray, it's without any powder. This is just this BB cream and I have been wearing it for like 4-5 hours. So the fact that it still looks good on camera and off camera as well, I'm gonna give it a 4.5. Just 0.5 cut कर रही हूँ because I wanted it to be a little more thinner. I've started liking skin tints a lot more because वो thin and easy to use होते हैं. सिर्फ इसलिए. So I've recently noticed कि मैं contouring तो कर लेती हूँ, but I feel मेरे face पे bronzing would be much better. That's what I've learned from the internet, and I did not have a bronzer there, so ta-ta-da-da! I know this is a humongous bronzer. I was not expecting it to be this big. मुझे लगा था बड़ा है, but इतना बड़ा आधी शक्ल से ज़्यादा बड़ा है ये. So this is from LA Girl. You know, this is that OG. I feel बहुत साल पहले बहुत popular bronzer in the affordable category. इसका MRP is 1050, but I got it at great discounts. And look at the pan. So pretty. I love it. ये perfect color है for my skin tone. I think मुझसे भी थोड़ी deeper skin tone पे भी ये चल जाएगा. It's like this warm deep brown almost. It blends beautifully. मैंने brush के साथ इसे use किया था and it gave that warmth to my face. So basically difference between contouring and bronzing is कि contouring से आप harsh lines बनाते हो, shadows बनाते हो. I can use contouring on my nose and my jaw, but bronzing adds some color back to your face. मैं चाहती हूँ मेरे face पे हमेशा रहे. So that's why I use a bronzer here and here. And I was not sure ये इतना pigmented होगा, इसलिए मेरे यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुक्का लग चुका है in the try on bit. But this side I think I did a better job and I still feel I have to master the art of bronzing. But if you're looking for an affordable bronzer, this one is superb. And you can go for the, I think, Rimmel one as well. It's equally good. Okay, do you remember Faces Canada? At time pe unki matte lipsticks were a rage. Their foundations have been a rage. I found something new from them on my YouTube shorts. This is their Strobe Your Way cream. Do you see the packaging? I mean, hello dude, this is pretty cool. And the fact ये 500 के अंदर है and you get 30 ml of a strobe cream, which is superb. ये आप खत्म ही नहीं कर पाओगे. And anyways, coming back to the product. Now strobe creams में I think सबसे ऊपर नाम आता है हमेशा MAC strobe cream का, जिसमें पिंक हल्के से ग्लिटर इफेक्ट है. उसका ड्यूब बनाया था Mama Earth, Lakme, सबने. I think ये उसका भी dupe है because this is some way more finer. It's way more subtle than those strobe creams and that is great because ये ऐसा strobe cream है जो आप बिना किसी foundation अपने bare face पे भी लगा के घूम सकते हो. It wouldn't feel very greasy या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा shimmery. It gives a nice sheen. So that is why I love this one. Your purpose for a strobe cream is कि वो आपके foundation को और glowy बना दे. Then I think this is a miss. But अगर आपको bare face पे कुछ glowy effect चाहिए, then this is great. And I think I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 because it's a lighter, much more wearable strobe cream and you get great quantity, great packaging as well. Only one mark cut करी because somehow heavy base के साथ it wouldn't work. I think blushes and lip tints are all the rage this season and I have a new favorite of mine. This is from Kiro. It's their rosehip oil and moringa oil avocado oil. I don't know. It's one of those stick blushes and I got the color Vintage Rose. ये मेरे में बहुत recommended आया था. Like a lot of people loved it, raved about it. So that's why I got it. Now, number 1 point. It's like butter. मक्खन की तरह ये आपके हाथ पे लग जाएगा. Literally blends like a मक्खन, spreads like a मक्खन. It's really creamy. And मैंने ऐसे थोड़े और affordable options use किए हैं जिनकी ऐसे stick वाले blushes और pan वाले blushes stiff हो जाते हैं रखे रखे. This one did not do that. So I'm really happy. And इसका blush ka color is sort of like peachy but still rosy, a rose color with a tint of peach, and it shows up on my medium skin tones and looks really nice. So if you're looking for something new and affordable, I think this is still around 700 rupees. So if you have that kind of a budget, definitely go for it. Love the fact कि आप इसको brush से भी use कर सकते हो, but मैंने specifically finger से हर चीज try करी है आज, and it blended beautifully. एक दो बार में ही it just blended. So that is why this gets a 4.5 again. Before I dive into two really nice lip shades, let's talk about the two skincare products I again have. Both of them are sunscreen. Now, एक टाइम था sunscreen sprays for face were a minority. मुझे एक ब्रांड मिला था एक टाइम पे 2 साल पहले, Rio Herbs करके, and I've used so many bottles of that. But अब every other brand has it. It's so good to see Indian brands doing that. So I got the one by Happier. It's called Spritz Away Sunscreen Spray, SPF 50, PA triple. 4+, you get 100 ml. Discounts पे हमेशा 500 के below रहता है. I have to say I like the packaging. It's very safe. इसका mist भी is quite fine. And I have used it over my BB. उसके बाद भी इसने मेरे like BB cream को बहुत oil up नहीं करवाया. कभी-कभी होता है ना. With time, some sunscreen sprays, because they have certain oils in them, they work well for the bare skin but not on makeup. This one is great for over makeup as well. I remember Sundays 52 का एक आता था around 1000 का. I got something under 500 which is great to be used over makeup आराम से. So yeah, it's quick absorbing, non-comedogenic, non-greasy. I will say non-greasy. So this also has to get 5 out of 5 from me because the fact that this is affordable, you get a good quantity out of it and sturdy packaging and no greasiness, no oiliness. I love it. Recently, I posted a clothing haul on a reel and the questions weren't about the clothes. They became more about the lipstick shade. So I have to share it. Now, this one has been lying around in my vanity for at least a year because इतना intimidating सा red color है ये. I was like, I can never wear it. But इस बार India आके I was like, I want to try out new stuff and that's when I found it and it has to be one of the most versatile, absolutely perfect, deep, rich, true blue red color. Literally अगर आप bare face पे भी red lipstick लगा लोगे, it's gonna make you look so much put together. This is my love child Masaba. It's their Mad Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Take a Dare. Beautiful. इसका इतना लाइट वेट मूजी टेक्सचर है. यू नो लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स एक टाइम पे जो सूखी सूखी सी बिल्कुल ड्राई एंड क्रैकी फील होती थी, वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक वेलवेटी ओनली एंड वेरी लाइट वेट. लगाने के बाद आपको लगेगा भी नहीं कि आपने लिपस्टिक लगा रखी है. स्मूथ, कंफर्टेबल एंड आई हैव टू से quite long lasting as well. मैंने एक दिन उसको लगा के पूरा दिन अपना निकाल लिया था and it still stayed there. It does not bleed and I feel this is a very good dupe or a replacement for the Fenty MVP. That color, that true blue red that Rihanna wore for some performance of hers. This would be a great replacement and something that would suit all the Indian skin tones, I have to say. मैं तो इसको साइड में रखती थी, ये सोचे कि सिंदूर है ये. Literally अपनी मम्मी मासी को दे दूंगी because it's that red, सिंदूर वाला red. But I kind of like it now. Okay, वो red lipstick I think can sort you out for all the festivities and the wedding season. And I have another one product that can hook you up for the wedding season. Just apply a brown shade on your eyelids and use this from Lakme. This is their brilliantly bronze paint pot. मुझे नहीं पता था लैक्मे का ऐसा कुछ आता है. I was just looking for a brown shade, like one shade that I can just apply on my eyelids and be good to go. And I found this one. This is how it looks. It has really fine ऐसे sheen वाला इफेक्ट देता है आपकी eyelids पे, and it's beautiful. आप मेरी आंखों पे देख ही सकते हो. It looked so good and it actually made me look more, you know, glammed up and dolled up, and मुझे कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ा. I didn't even use a brush with it. So yeah, and you get a very good quantity of this as well. It's not dry, it's not flaky, बहुत ही fine सा इसमें sheen है. अगर आपको डर है कि ये एक बार में आप उंगली से लगाओगे बहुत गॉडी लगेगा, ऐसा भी नहीं है. This is gonna look very well balanced on your face. ओके मैंने अपनी एक वीडियो में दिखाया था कि कॉन्शियस केमिस्ट की सनस्क्रीन हैज़ बीन वर्किंग रियली नाइसली फॉर मी. तो आई सडनली फाउंड अ क्लेंजिंग ऑयल फ्रॉम देम, एंड यू नो आई लव डबल क्लेंजिंग. मेरा जितना भी डबल क्लेंजिंग का सामान था वो वहीं रह गया है, एंड यहाँ जो था वो एक्सपायर हो गया है. सो आई वांटेड वन. दिस इज देयर डेली डिजॉल्व अल्ट्रा लाइट ऑयल क्लेंजर, कंटेन्स 100% नेचुरल ओरिजिन प्लांट ऑयल्स. Now number one, इसकी पैकेजिंग इज सुपर कूल. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा डॉट है. यू हैव टू ट्विस्ट इट एंड यहाँ से ऑयल डिस्पेंस होगा, एंड देन यू ट्विस्ट इट बैक एंड इट क्लोजेस. आई लव द पैकेजिंग, बट आई विल से थोड़ा सा मेसी. अभी भी ऊपर एक हल्का सा ऑयल का लेयर है, बिकॉज आप जब ऐसे निकालते हो और फिर बंद करोगे तो हल्की सी ऑयल ड्रिप हो जाती है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इट वॉज एबल टू रिमूव माई स्मज प्रूफ लिपस्टिक इन वन गो. इसने लिटरली मेरा फेस क्लीन कर दिया था. सो ग्रेट पॉइंट्स देयर. बट हाउएवर, क्लेंजिंग ऑयल की बेस्ट क्वालिटी ये होनी चाहिए कि आप जैसे पानी ऐड करते हो, इट इमल्सिफाइज, इट जस्ट बिकम्स दैट फोमी सा फेस वॉश. आई फेल्ट इसका इमल्सिफिकेशन वॉज अ लिटिल स्लो, थोड़ा कम था कंपेयर टू माई DHC एंड फेस शॉप वन, एंड इट फेल्ट अ लिटिल मोर ग्रीसी. बट आपको डबल क्लेंजिंग में एक और फेस वॉश तो यूज़ करना ही है, तो कोई भी जेंटल फेस वॉश यूज़ कर लो इसके ऊपर. इट विल गेट रिड ऑफ द ऑयलीनेस. यू गेट 100 ml फॉर अंडर 500 rupees, एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट मेकअप रिमूवर, आई विल से दैट. सो उस पर्पज से इट्स ग्रेट. इट्स जस्ट हल्का सा ग्रीसी ज़्यादा है ये. सो आई माई सेल्फ आई एम अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज हाउ टू रेट इट, बिकॉज काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल क्लेंजिंग ऑयल होगा ये इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई इट. आई थिंक आई एम गोना रेट इट 3.5 बिकॉज मेसी पैकेजिंग है थोड़ी सी, थोड़ा सा ऑयली ज़्यादा है, बट nonetheless a great product. And the last recommendation has to be one of my favorites from this video as well. I think Maybelline के Teddy Tins are getting a lot of mixed reviews. Somebody called me out जब मैंने उसको बोला कि वो Teddy Tint बहुत अच्छा है in my video. Somebody commented saying कि oh my god, I know this is a paid collaboration, just don't lie about it. नहीं, I bought it from my own money. Anyways, उस पर हाइपर नहीं होते हैं, but in case you want a nice tint, like velvety moussey tint which lasts long on your face. अगर Maybelline वाला नहीं लेना है, then go for Etude one. This is their fixing tint. मुझे इनके बारे में पता था. I got one of these in my PR बहुत साल पहले, but उसका color was that अजीब सा peach that never suited me. तो मैंने कभी Etude को एक fair chance नहीं दिया. But then I found this in the shade Woody Pink on Amazon. Oh my god, this is exactly the kind of mauve pink that I loved from Maybelline, and I felt like this is the perfect dupe for that. जिनको भी वो स्टिकीनेस वाला इशू है विद Maybelline Teddy Tint, लीव दैट, मत लो. मेरे को पैसे थोड़ी मिल रहे हैं Maybelline को बेच के. Buy the Etude one, dude. It's equally good and in the same price range as well. And Etude is Korean, so yeah, of course, unke tints are going to be much better. But I will say one, की staying power is not as great as Maybelline one. मैंने Maybelline वाले को अपने Coldplay के concert में लगाया था. I had greasy pizza, garlic bread, fries, beer, सब कुछ. रो के भी आई हूँ मैं कॉन्सर्ट में, बट दैट टिंट वाज स्टिल देयर ऑन माई लिप्स एंड आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड फ्रॉम दैट. बट इन केस यू वांट समथिंग मोर लाइट वेट, वे मोर लाइट वेट, वो ऐसा लगता है कि आप कोई वेलवेटी मूस सा कुछ लगा रहे हो. नॉट एट ऑल हैवी, बट you do feel that velvety mousse. ये ऐसा लगता है आप पानी लगा रहे हो while giving you that smooth velvety finish. So very comparable. If your issue is just a stickiness, go for this one. I'm going to rate this perfect dupe of my Maybelline Teddy Tint a perfect 5 because it's really good. Of course, staying power is a little miss, but great color, I have to say. Love this. And yeah, with this we've come to the end of this video. Let me know what else you want me to try and give my honest opinions about. I'll review them. Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye.